This is rated #1. This is a #1 table saw.
A table saw.
That's his #1 model.
And it's portable, you guys. I just rolled it all the way over here. About how many feet?
25 feet. 50 feet.
That's more than 25
50
feet.
feet.
I
it's
just
on about
rolled it
100
over
feet.
here
100 feet.
from over there to over here. Very easy and portable. So I'm going to let my assistant show you guys how to set this up. Real quick, real easy.
Please put your eyes on the film camera.
Look at that. Look at that. Woohoo!
It's ready to go.
Woohoo! Now that was so simple and easy. Wow. Wow, that's amazing. And it's not that heavy because it's mostly plastic.
It's portable.
And it's sturdy.
Contractors
heavy duty.
love it. It's a contractor's
Dream.
wish list. When they get a wish list.
So if you were a do-it-yourselfer man or woman, you'd love to get one of these for Christmas?
Most certainly. Most certainly. Oh yeah.
You wouldn't get mad about getting 2s for Christmas?
Not at all.
Or your birthday gift?
Not at all. Would really relish the person that get that for me. I really would appreciate them.
So y'all, that was quick, easy.
The rib guide just comes out.
And he's setting it up. That he say
some-
that's the rip guide.
Rib guide. Locks in place. Very, very good. Very well. Worth
So
its
on a
money.
scale of 1 to 10, what is your recommendation for this tool?
10 plus. This is a 10 plus too. Very, very.
Is it worth the money?
Very. It's on sale for $3.99.
What?
Yeah.
$3.99.
$3.99. We normally sell for $4.99.
Even
$500.
$4.99 is still a good deal.
Yeah, it's a good deal.
$3.99. Oh my
At
goodness.
Home Depot. This is Home Depot brand Ridgid, but this is the best, best desired mobile saw. This is really a nice saw,
Wow.
and this is a most desired miter saw stand. That's number
The Ridgid table saw.
the ultimate Ridgid.
And if you had these 3 pieces of equipment, do you need anything else?
You always.
It depends on what kind of work
Yeah,
you're
but
doing.
for the table saw, this is the only one you would need. I had this when I did Jackie's house back in the flood. I had 2 of those. I had this stand back when I did Jackie's. Of course, it was a new stand, but I did. Oh, I love this too. This is #1. Could you grab that lumber for me?
I'm going to show you how he rips this wood. You're ripping it down. This is how.
This is 2x6. We don't have any more
2x6.
2x4s. We need 2x4s, so we're gonna rip this down.
He's going to rip it down to a 2x4.
Yeah, we out of lumber, and we have to mill it now. And we're gonna mill it down to 3.5 inches.
You going to need me to hold that?
Yeah, I'm gonna push it to you. Once I cut it off.
I think I'm going to have to turn you guys off. Hold on. I might have to let y'all watch from back there.